Actually, I got my air gun Vigilante. I got pellets and BBs for this. I'm gonna be shooting this in my FMP 90, 400 or 500 FPS. On the ammo I use. Then I'll be using my Hatsan, a Hudson air rifle, 22 cal. I'm also a long rifle, but I'll be using those three weapons against the fan that I have outside. I'm gonna use my strongest ones just to see what's like the damage gonna be. And if it still survives after, then I'll start using lesser power weapons that I have, and even might go down to using my handguns, but they really low FPS, so it really won't matter. Plus there's like some hard plastic too, I bet. So that's why I'm only doing like 3 guns that are my strongest, and my strongest handgun, little revolver, and I'll show all the stuff I'm like the ammo I'm gonna be using, all that, but take these guns outside, get them set up. Okay, I got the fan. I've been outside for a minute. I was supposed to do this video probably like last month. Just not getting to it. Fan motor just stopped working. It was a little hot outside at that time, so you know, it was bound to happen, I guess. Not really an expensive fan. I'm trying to think. I'm gonna probably do, since I got 3 guns inside, each gun get a propeller. Then the air rifle gonna get this part, the air gun gonna get this part, and then P90 gonna get that side. But right now I'm gonna start on this part and show the BBs, what ammo I'm using. I'm just using some random. It's like .20s, 12s, 25s, and all that. Got some extra CO2. And these are the clips I have. I think these is called clips. I forget what they call it, cartridges or whatever. These 2 are pellets. These are the steel BBs. I believe I have one more. I might not. Oh yeah, I do. Yeah, this one. I won't fill out. But they're both mixed with these 2. And oh no, it's this one that's mixed with both of them. So you see these ones is like that, and this one is like that, and all of these is just like those, and so on with this thing. Yeah. So I'm gonna start with this one. I'm gonna do 2 shots and switch to this one. And you know what? I'm gonna just use this one. I'm gonna save these both for last. Wow, it's real windy out here. So first one I'm using is the mixed. Put that on safety. And I'll just keep this one in my pocket. No, I'm gonna do the BBs first because I don't have enough of those. I'm gonna just shoot 2 of the BBs first. I'm gonna go back a little bit. I'm aiming for the bottom one. I believe I see a hole. I'm gonna switch this CO2 cartridge real quick too, cause it's not as loud. Actually, it might be. I don't know. But see, put a hole in there. I doubt it went through I'm pretty sure it didn't go through the other part, but they're so small, so they probably did. To make it fair, I'm going. Yeah, I must have switched the CO2 out, cause it's probably old from like one of the last videos I did. There was a lot of CO2 that came out. think one of my CO2s failed because I'm missing one. Let me check in a minute. Oh, I ain't go through it yet. It's way louder. What I like about this, it's not leaking yet, or I know CO2 things is known for having a thing leak eventually, but I haven't got that yet. Pretty glad about that. So I'm gonna just do one more of this. No, I think I have the other one in my pocket. Yeah, I do. Okay. And I'm gonna aim like bottom part. Heard something ricochet to like over there. But yeah, you can definitely tell the difference. So this margin right here, I'm gonna put in 1. Yeah, this margin right here was the BBs. These right here are the pellets. Very big difference. Yeah, they are not going to the upper part yet, I don't think. Maybe if I was up close up there, but yeah, but nah. I'm gonna rotate up here now. I'm gonna just empty this cartridge or whatever it's called. I gotta look that up. Of the actual name of it. But I'm gonna go a little closer this time. I don't know where they're going because I didn't hear them like come back at all. So what I wanted to see if there's any marks. I don't really see any marks, no. But that's one gun done. Save this other one. Boy, I didn't even get in the camera. I'll save these 2 for that other side. And now I'm gonna do the P90. And these are the pellets I'm using for the 22 air rifle. Haven't shot my P90 outside in a minute. Well, I haven't shot any of my guns in a minute. Airsoft based. I haven't shot them at all. Only been dry firing them. Make sure that was cool. Gotta get a better battery. Stop that motor line. I'm gonna do a test shot. Yeah, shooting. There's all different types of BBs in there, so it's not really accurate right now. I'm going for the top one. Okay, it's making holes easily. Yeah, it's still making holes back here. Yeah. Well, I already knew this part wasn't gonna really do much, but I'm gonna save the rest of the pellets. I mean BBs for the side where the motor is at. I could take this off too, kind of rusty. So it definitely got messed up bad. Yeah. So air gun, revolver, P90. Got some big holes on it. This is perfect right here. I keep forgetting it's not in 0.5. Yeah, this is perfect right here. I did miss a little bit. I didn't really know where I was shooting at. Well, I was supposed to shoot at different types of BBs and all that. So it did hit right here and right here too, but that's nothing bad. So put it back on. Do the air rifle. And I brought this one out too because it's closer for this type of range. And it's real fun to use when it's real accurate for up close. The other one is too, but it's not as strong as this one. So I'm gonna use a super extra point. And the other one right there, Ultra Magnum, my heaviest ones. One thing is you gotta reload it kind of hard. You get kind of tired of it too after a while. So I'm gonna do about 5. Yeah, I'll just do 6. That's all I have in my hand. Haven't used this thing in a long time. This might not be far enough to get like an accurate shot. But no, I got an accurate shot. It went straight through. We'll take it back a little bit too. Okay. I'm gonna try to go back even farther to see. Okay, I'm gonna go check where the damage is. All right, so this is what the damage is looking like. Kind of like the BBs, a little bit, but a little bigger, more rough of a cut. And those are just 3 shots. What I wanted to know, oh yeah, so let me zoom in on that. You see right there, it bent them out of place to get that shot in. This is what I wanted to know. It's pretty cool. And I don't think there's no need to shoot the other ones yet. So it definitely did bend it out the way. And I could definitely shoot right here too, which I am going to do. Wait, it's still zoomed in. Yeah, well, what I'm going to do is shoot in this little area. That's where the spinning part is at. So load this back up real quick. All right, so I'm finna shoot the railing. I didn't shoot that part. I just want to see if any damage will happen to it. I think the further I get out, it's going through it. Yeah, so it was bending them out the way a little bit. Can't even really see it for real, but yeah, there you go. Yeah, so now I'm finna go with the revolver now. I didn't see that coming. All right, so this time I'm gonna add a few more in my pocket to see the damage real quick on that part that I was just showing. And then I'm gonna head to the sides and restart the little process, revolver, P90, then the air rifle. See what type of damage it is at the end. I feel like the air rifle gonna do pretty good damage with these ones, cause they're pretty nice. Just put like 4 in my back pocket. And I got a speed loader too. And yeah, probably do it up close too. Well, no, I could shoot it from far back. It's just a small area. I don't want to make too much error. end up hitting this part and messing it up for the second part of the video. But I should be cool. Yeah, I don't even know if I hit it right. No, I don't think so. I hit something, but I don't know. Yeah, I was so off. I was down here. I hit the whatever this is called. So I'm gonna just do it up close from an angle so it don't ricochet. And if it do, it's gonna hit the other side of it. Yeah, that's what I'm just gonna do. Come from this angle. Oh wow, nothing even happened. It broke on impact, so yeah, that part is really hard. I don't know what it's made out of, but this is not gonna go through it. I'm not gonna waste no time on that. It just came apart. But yeah, I'm gonna do this side. Forgot what I said and which sides I would do. Yeah, I don't know. I'll just do this back part. Airsoft gun. Let me do the airsoft gun first this time. So it was breaking plastic. I should have went full auto. I still can. No, I'm just seeing the gearbox of it, but it just look kind of plastic in here. I ain't gonna lie. It's probably gonna do some crazy damage to it. But I'm gonna do full auto real quick. Then I'm gonna switch to revolver. I was angled bad. Oh wow. Yeah, it definitely broke in there. I seen the spring, broken BBs, all that in the little Chinese grease they be having. Like a stock airsoft gearbox. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the revolver now. I figured it was gonna be like that. Well, I didn't know the inside would be like that, but since I did see it, I figured it was gonna be like gonna break easy. Cause this gun is pretty strong. I might make it stronger one day. All right, I'm gonna use both of these up. I didn't bring out more, so let me just do 5, switch. Then whatever I have left, I'll use that. Whatever way I will. Yeah, I was definitely not 5 by using more. I don't know why. That was like 6. That was more than 6. And it fell again. Alright, it's becoming real weak. I can't even really keep it up, really. And inside you can see the metal areas, the reinforcement parts of it, I guess. It's starting to come out, see them better. See, it's cracked. That's because it's cracked because it fell, but I can, oh wow. Guess it's coming off. Whoa, it's a lot of A lot of BBs in there. Oh yeah. Wow. Keep that to look at after. Okay, so now I'm seeing it's like a DC motor, but bigger and weaker. So I hit some of the DC motor in it. I don't know what this is. The oscillator part. It's pretty broken up, but you can see how clean this part looked. Then you get to this side, pretty much the same actually. Well, I'm gonna just get to this other side now. All right, it's time to finish this thing off. Do I have another one? Oh, that's from earlier. Just empty my pockets. All right, got a few more left of these super points. Let me just get 2 more. I'm gonna do an up close one. I was looking through the scope. I don't even know what happened for real. I know it moved. Yeah, I don't really know what happened. I should have just looked at the fan while I did it. It was basically point blank. It's in 0.5. Okay. So it's still broke on impact. Some real strong metal. I didn't think it would last like that. I thought I'd be able to actually go through it. But I'm gonna still take it back. Get some better shots on it. And I have 2 more super points left. All right, I hit it. I wish I made it like a louder sound when I shot it, but it's cool. Where is that? This is not. This is one of them other ones that's small. All right, well, I'm switching to Ultra Magnum. Only got a few in my pocket. Might have to get some more, maybe. No, it should be good. There's 4 of them. And this is what they look like. Pretty big. Wait, no, that's not a. That's a super point. This is Ultra Magnum, and it's really heavier than the super point. I get the best damage when I use these ones. You can definitely hear that one this time. Let's get them loose. I'm gonna have to Loctite that. Heard that one come back in the grass or in the leaves a little closer to me. Then this is the last one. This is a super point that I found in my back pocket. All right, so this is what the damage is looking like. Not much at all, but it does have a pellet stuck in there. It's looking at super point. It looks kind of backwards. You can see like the back of it pointy, but that's pretty much it on like visible. I mean, it is bent in, but I thought it'd be more than that. It's probably like one of the first times this gun actually got stopped from showing like major damage or something. But surprised. Well, done with that. I don't really need it no more. I did want to look at these BBs. Real messed up. Oh yeah. Yeah, this look pretty nice. Some of these are from the revolver. Some of the BBs, you know, they broken up per usual. But that's pretty much it of them. They don't look too bad. I've seen worse. But surprised the fan motor part didn't get as damaged as I thought it would. I thought I'd see some of the copper coils broken, but I guess not. And that's pretty much it.